Have fun in the woods with these tips. Getting the family together for a camping adventure can be some great fun for everyone involved. When planning your camping trip, having some great advice and suggestions makes the difference in your enjoyment as well. Take a look at this video to soak in excellent tips that will have you out the door and in the great outdoors in no time. If you are going backcountry camping, you should probably carry a snake bite kit in your gear. The best snake bite kits are the ones that use suction. Some kits have scalpels and blood flow constrictors in them. Scalpels can actually cut the poison into the blood stream faster, and constrictors can be deadly if not used properly. If you have little ones camping with you, pack a few art supplies. When you get to your site, show them how to do leaf rubbings. There are always a variety of leaves in all shapes and sizes, so trying them all out will take a while. The kids will be happy and you will have some peace and quiet while you relax and watch them. Take only photos and leave only footprints. That is the rule of thumb when camping. Only use the natural resources that you need and do not leave any traces that you were camping when you leave. Pick up all trash, extinguish and cover any fire pits, bury all human waste, and make the area where you camp look exactly as it did when you found it. Camping is an educational and rewarding adventure for kids, and equally so for adults. As you can see, making the most of your camping outing does not have to be difficult. This video has offered some ideas to help you prepare for some situations you may encounter and leave worries behind. Giveaway time. Get a free tactical pen today. Limited supply only. Get yours free at epicsurvivalhacks.com. Testers needed for a new survival and defense tool. Get yours free at epicsurvivalhacks.com. Do you want the most discreet weapon ever invented, for free? Get yours free at epicsurvivalhacks.com. Link in the description.